Alright, so apparently we used Blast Shield, but we're just going to show you guys that we didn't. But anyway, it's supposed to be third map. They said they're going to show us, they're not showing us. Look, 5 minutes, last match for third map, and it's their host. Like 5 minutes. I want you to show us, dude, since you got it. You're just gonna get your fucking little trick-shotting boyfriend in here. It's whatever. Both of us, dude. I could literally get us to win in 5 minutes if I go on my Nerdify account. You know GB Lockster and GB Sharp Eyes? Fat as hell. I'm 5'11", I'm 145. I'm not fat as hell. You want to go look at my gaming Twitter if you want to see what I look like. I'm not fat, and they just forfeited the good game.